This is London with MarketHedge. Taking a look at the power zone, guys. What was it? We compounded in down to that 38.2, and we've got 36 grand on the table right now. I told you we stacked orders in here to try and get Bitcoin to do exactly what it did. Smash the like button if you saw the preceding video. Nicely done. That's how you trade a bull flag. Way to go. Now, in terms of that move to the upside, downward sloping channel, right? We always want that channel to cut against that move to the upside, the trend to the upside. 4-hourly chart shown right now. I want to bring your attention not only to the top side target ultimately would be looking at 135,000. That's a big trick, guys, of a run to the upside. I'll say this for right now. Moving that amplitude to the upside seems like a great deal, but we have one fly in the ointment. I want to tell you that the bulls must beat the specific rising wedge. You've got to beat that rising wedge, okay? Now, if we can crank out and up over the top of it, I'll tell you, I will be targeting this move. I just will. I love to target if a pattern misbehaves this support to resistance demand agreement between the buyers on support, sellers on resistance. This calculated point right here is a discernible, exactly calculable point in time and price. So looking at it, I want to hit it. That's it. If we can get up and out of this, I want to hit. I'm going to schedule some shorts in if we can get over that. Typically a bearish pattern. Don't be afraid of the market, but pre-position as what we did. It was a great example in terms of pre-positioning. What do we do? Well, things were going up, so we stacked below, right? Boom, 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 boom. Nicely done. Again, 37,000 in the profit right now. In terms of the right-hand side of your picture, right-hand side of your screen, I want you to take a look. We've got the specific hedge lines. Those hedge lines are on MarketHedge.pro, and the specific is called line basic. Real easy. Line basic, that green and the red line. Gives us a nice look at that left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. You guys agree, okay? So looking at that specific, it's a New York favorite. You guys know that. In terms of the New York traders, they love head and shoulders, clean ones. So looking at the specific carry-up amplitude to the upside, looking at a potential 120, call it a 119. Okay, 119. What are the preceding hurdles? Our preceding pivots that are going to act as hurdles going to be this 110, 350, right? To a greater extent or a lesser extent, probably that 110.8, 30. And then we're looking at this primary pivot here at the 112, of course. All hurdles to get up and over, accompanying the specific rising wedge. You guys know it's not an ideal breakout, but the momentum is there. So if you're pre-positioned, congratulations. If you've been watching, hey, that's the way to go. This is London with MarketHedge. Let's see what Bitcoin can do. It's going to be a good week, guys. It's going to be a good week. Let's power up and out. You guys take care of yourself. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.